Hello, my name is Albina. I'm a 15-year-old web developer located in Albania. I started programming and get in the tech world around 3 years ago. I started to build small Scratch and App Inventor applications. After that, I started to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with e-learning platforms like Codecademy, Coursera, Udemy, W3 Schools, and so on. I'm learning Python. I think Python is a really great language and I totally like it. I think that the major steps to start learning programming are simple. You gotta pick a language to start with and then get your laptop, connect to a network, and start learning with e-learning platforms. As I mentioned before, Udemy, Coursera, Codecademy, W3 Schools, Skillshare, and so on. I think that everyone who is interested in technology should start programming because it's something that makes fun, building your own games, your own websites, your own applications, and so on. My goals are lots of ones because I want to make Coded my own website, my own company to start with it. And I want to start university for informatics in 3 or 4 years when it's time to start. And I want to start writing my own book about my journey, my experience on programming, and also to grow my community on Instagram. It's codergirl.al, and I want to grow more it and to maybe be more active with it. I want to build a website where beginners, teens, and adults can learn programming free and pro. It's still just in plan. I get my inspiration from many persons and at many ways. The first person who inspires and motivates me is my sister. She inspired me and said one day to me, so okay, come on, you gotta just take a look at what programming is. And the first day that I started playing with Scratch, I totally loved it, and I'm really thankful to her because she always supports me and she's always there mentoring me. I also get motivation from TED Talks and online speeches from Gary Vee or Simon Sinek and so on, like entrepreneurs and motivators. In my community in Instagram, I had the chance to connect with many girls who have a really great experience in programming, just like Brandy Morgan or Nicole Wolf, but mainly I'm connected to my sister, so as I mentioned before. And for every problem and for every error that I may have, she's always there to help me, so I'm really thankful for that. I don't play video games. I'm not a gamer because I think that gaming is a really great way to waste the time or so. When I need to relax, I do home workout. I watch any hackers movies in my laptop, or I read books. I don't watch that much TV. I just read books, different types of books, because I think that I grow more when I read books. So that was my introduction. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.